This is an audiobook bounced by G Salamander and Reshu Singh. Kyle bounced her ball too high. You would never guess where it bounced.可以啊，把他的球弹得过高了，你永远都猜不到他往他哪里弹。Would 是 will 的 past tense，是说我们在过去的时候猜不到。It means that we couldn't know where Kyle bounced the ball when it was in the past, so would is used instead of will. Boing! Kyle bounced her ball a little too high. No one in the park could catch it. 咚！ Kyle 弹他的球弹得有点高，没有人可以接得住他。As the incident happened in the past, so simple past tense was used. Verb is either added with d, ed, or change the word. Is becomes was, bounce becomes bounced, teach becomes taught, jump become jump, could become can become could catch to catch. The ball bounced past a busy drain cleaner. He was too busy to catch it. 那球弹过了一个忙着洗水沟的人，他太忙了，没去捡那个球。Simple past tense, just now, long time ago, yesterday, last week, last year. Verb plus ed, ed, or change the word as the past form. Bounce, bounced. 弹 is, was, 是，在。Teach, taught. 教 bite, beat, 咬。Could, catch, to, catch. After to and could, root verb, the original verb without any s is used. The ball bounced through two wobbly tea sellers. They were too wobbly to catch it. 那颗球越过了两个摇晃、不稳定的茶商。Wobbly is shaking, not stable, unstable. Tea sellers, 茶商，他们太摇晃了 ，wobbly， 以致接不到球。Simple past tense, just now, long time ago, verb, d, ed, past forms, is, to was, what, when, want, becomes wanted, teach, becomes taught, break, becomes broke, 破坏, could, to, follows by the base form, to catch, to teach. The ball bounced past three confused security guards. The security guards were too confused to catch it. 那颗球弹过三个困惑的保安，他们太困惑，没接到球。困惑 confused. 保安 security guards. As this happened in the past, so simple past tense is used. Simple past tense, verb, d, ed, or change word in its past form. Are becomes were, bounce becomes bounced, teach becomes taught, catch becomes caught. Could, to, base form, to catch, to teach. The ball bounced past four excited sweepers. They were too excited to catch the ball. They were too elated or excited to catch the ball. 那颗球弹过了四个兴奋的扫地员，他们兴奋，所以接不到球。Because everything happened in the past, so a simple past tense is used. Verb is used in the past form, either with d, ed, or change of a word. Is becomes was, bounce becomes bounced, buy becomes bought, build becomes built. Is, was, 是在 bounced, bounced. 弹 buy, bought, 买 build, built, 建 Could is the past form of can, and after to and could, a root verb or base form is used to teach, 教, to catch, 抓. The ball bounced past 5 sweaty gardeners. They were too sweaty to catch it. Sweaty, 汗流浃背。那颗球弹过 bounce 5个汗流浃背 sweaty gardeners 园丁，他们 were too 汗流浃背 sweaty， 所以捡不到球。Simple past tense 给过去式 in the past, just now, long time ago, verb D-ed past form. The past form of is was 是在 The past form of bounce 弹 is bounced. The past form of put is still put 放 The past form of destroy 破坏 is destroyed. Could is the past form of can. Could 是 can 的过去式。Could after could or after to, a root verb or base form is used to put, to catch. The ball bounced past 6 fatigued joggers. They were too fatigued, tired to catch it. 那颗球弹过6个累的跑者，他们累得捡不到球。Fatigued, tired, 累。In the past tense, in the past, just now, long time ago, verb D-ed or change of verb. Is becomes was, bounce becomes bounced, become becomes became, 变成 begin becomes began, 开始 could, catch to catch. The ball bounced past 7 talkative florries. They were too talkative to catch it. 那颗球弹过 bounce pass 过7个多嘴 talkative florries 卖花者。他们多嘴 talkative to catch it， 所以捡不上球。In past tense, past forms, D-ed or change of verb. Is becomes was, 是在 bounce becomes bounced, 弹 become becomes begin, 变成 begin becomes began, 开始 could, catch to catch, could and to is followed by a root verb. The ball bounced past 8 frightened electricians. They were too frightened to catch it. 那颗球弹过8个惊吓 frightened electrician 电源。他们惊吓 frightened were too frightened to catch the ball. 所以捡不到球。The past tense, D-ed or change of verb for the past form. Is becomes was, are becomes were, bounce becomes bounced, become becomes became, begin becomes began, could catch, to catch. A root verb or base form is used after could, can, or to. The ball bounced past 9 relaxed pedant makers. They were too relaxed to catch it. Relax 轻松，那颗球弹过9个轻松 relax 制饼者，印度饼有香脆可口 papadum makers， 他们轻松 relax to catch it， 所以捡不上球。Simple past tense, a past form is used, and it is either modified with the addition of D, ed, or change of the word. Is becomes was, 是在 are becomes were, 是在 bounce becomes bounced, 弹 become becomes became, 变成 blow becomes blew, 吹 Could is the past form of can. Could 是 can 的过去式。 could, can, to is followed by a are followed by the root verb 原本的字 can catch, could catch in the past, to catch. The robots past tense surprised, dumbfounded panthers. They were too surprised to catch it. 那个球弹过是个惊喜 surprised, dumbfounded, astonished, flabbergasted, astounded. 有期元 painters. They were too 他们太惊喜了，惊喜 surprise to catch it 捡不到球。Simple past tense happens for a verb which happened just now or a long time ago. A past form with the modification of the word with action of d, ed, or change of a word is, when expressed in the past form, is was. Are, when expressed in the past form, is were. The past form of bounce is bounced. The past form of draw is drew. 画. The past form of break is broke. 破坏. Could is the past form of can, and could, can, to are followed by a root verb or base form. To catch, could catch, can catch. Let's chat about the stories. Ideas for talking with kids. Independent thinking. 独立思考，来想一下会发生的事情。What do you think is going to happen after the last page of the story? Did Kyle catch the ball? If Kyle did not catch the ball, who helped her to catch the ball? Creativity, 创造能力。Do you think the people will react the same way when the ball bounces back past them? 当那个球飞过他们身边的时候，他们会怎么表示？为什么他们会有这样的心情或想法？ If not, what might each of them do when they see the ball bounce past them? Were everyone helpful to catch the ball? Was the ball bouncing at the speed of lightning? How can the people help, or did Kaya ask for help? Would the ball ever stop bouncing, and why? So, Kaya might catch the ball if the ball is slow. If the ball is fast, was fast. If the ball were fast, sometimes because the balls. However,